All right, so here's some help on number 35, which a bunch of you have been emailing me about that you need help with. So this one asks you guys to rotate this polygon, which ends up being a quadrilateral because it has 4 sides, about the vertex E, and you're supposed to rotate it 270 degrees clockwise. So the trick on this one is you're not just rotating it around the origin, you're rotating it about that E. So to speed things up, I already took those 4 points and I graphed them right here for y'all. So this is the original polygon. I'm gonna try to set up this camera so I can write. Okay, there you go. So there's the original polygon. And we are trying to rotate it, not about the origin, but about this point right there, this E. So do you remember in class when we did this, we created a new XY axis. This is what we're rotating it about, right? This E, boom, that point right there. All right, and what we're gonna do is we are now gonna rotate it 270 degrees clockwise. So remember, 270 degrees clockwise, the rule that we figured out for that one, let's make sure you can see, was when you rotate X, Y. All right, and you can check out my Canvas page under Unit 1 and you'll see all the anchor charts that we used in class. But when you rotate something 270 degrees clockwise, the X and the Y swap and the Y changes sign. So that means the Y is the thing that's gonna change sign to move to the front. So now, remember, we're not rotating about this one, so we can't just take these and switch them. We need to rotate it about this guy. So what is this? This, first of all, is gonna stay where it is because it's at E already, right? So you're just basically taking this shape and you're spinning it clockwise 270 degrees. So it's gonna end up over here, and we know this guy, it's gonna be on that point. All right, but this one's one we gotta figure out. So right now, this D, in regards to this yellow axis, is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this right now is like 2, -6. All right, this one right here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. So 6, -3. All right, and then G is really far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 8, -9. Okay, so we just got the points and where they are on the new yellow axis that we just created. So now let's go apply the rule. So if we're going 270 degrees clockwise, that means it's gonna spin this way, right? In regards to this E, the X and the Y are gonna swap, and the Y is what's gonna change sign. So this D is gonna change to 6. I'm gonna write it underneath it so we can see it. 6, 2. Does everybody understand that the X was 2, right? It didn't change signs, but the 6 was the Y. It changed signs and moved to the front. All right, so if I go plot that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. So this is the new D. So we're gonna call it D prime. All right, E prime, remember, stays right where it was because E is actually on that axis. Now let's look at F. F was 6, -3. So according to our rule, the Y will change sign. So it's gonna be a +3 and then a 6. So we go over 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boom, there it is. So this one will be, what letter? F prime. So we'll put F prime there. All right, and then this one, the G, it was 8, -9. So it's gonna become 9, 8 because the Y changed signs again and the X moved to the back. So now I'm gonna go count off 9, 8 in regards to this yellow one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, there it is. All right, so now, and this was G prime. So now when you guys plot those on your computer, boom, it should look like that. And you can tell that this shape did look like it went 90 degrees counterclockwise, which is the same as 270 degrees clockwise. And then now on yours though, so you're not plotting it according to this because y'all aren't gonna be able to draw on the screen to do that. But this E prime should be where it was originally, right? But your D prime now on the actual XY axis is at 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you'll need to make sure that that's what's plotted. All right, and then the G prime is really at 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I hope this is helping you guys. You can figure out the other one now. So again, this is number 35 from your transformations review.